Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the only way macaroni and cheese. To begin, you'll need 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Also, have 2 cups of whole milk and 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, freshly shredded, ready to go. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a truly delicious and comforting meal that everyone will love. First, cook your elbow macaroni until al dente, then drain it well. While the pasta cooks, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Whisk in 1/4 cup of flour to form a roux, cooking for 1 minute. Slowly pour in 2 cups of whole milk, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens. Remove from heat, then stir in the 8 ounces of shredded cheddar until smooth. Once your cheese sauce is perfectly creamy, combine it with the drained macaroni. Stir gently to ensure every piece is coated in that rich, cheesy goodness. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, you can transfer the mixture to a baking dish, top with a bit more cheese or some breadcrumbs, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until bubbly and golden. Once your macaroni and cheese is ready, let it rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the sauce to set perfectly, ensuring every bite is creamy and delicious. Serve it warm as a comforting main dish or a delightful side. For more great tips on managing your finances, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.